In this video, we will discuss the buy-sell indicator trading strategy using the breakout trading strategy method. Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Strategy Explorer channel. What comes to mind when you think about knowing the key levels that can significantly help you read market movements? Of course, it will be easier for you to make decisions when placing orders. One of the key levels you need to understand is the support and resistance levels. As we know, support and resistance levels are areas where there is a possibility of a reversal or a significant continuation of movement. If the price manages to break out at the support or resistance levels, there will generally be a very significant continuation of price movement. In this video, we will show you a trading strategy that will help make it easier for you to make trading decisions using the breakout trading strategy method. Make sure to stay with this video until the end, and don't forget to support this channel by liking and subscribing. Let's get started. To use this breakout trading strategy, you can start by accessing Tradingview. Then, go to the Search Indicator tab. In the Search Indicator tab, type Support Resistance with Break and Retest. After that, select the Support Resistance with Break and Retest indicator by Hoang Hedy. Next, make some adjustments to the Support Resistance with Break and Retest indicator. In the Input tab, uncheck the Retest option. Then, go to the Repainting option and select Off Candle Confirmation. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. As we can see, the Support Resistance with Break and Retest indicator will provide lines to mark the support or resistance areas in the market. Additionally, the indicator will give a signal if the price manages to break out at the support or resistance areas. If the price candlestick manages to break out at a resistance area, your main focus is to place a buy order. Meanwhile, if the price candlestick manages to break out at a support area, your main focus is to place a sell order. However, before you can place an order, there are a few confirmations you need to perform. As confirmation, you can add another indicator that will be used to confirm the signals in the market. Go to the Search Indicator tab and type Directional Movement Index Trend. Then, select the Directional Movement Index Trend indicator from this creator. Next, make some adjustments to the Directional Movement Index Trend indicator. Go to the Style tab and follow the settings as I do. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. The Directional Movement Index Trend indicator will be used to confirm the signals that appear. If the indicator bar is green, it signals an uptrend confirmation. If the indicator bar is red, it signals a downtrend confirmation. Meanwhile, if the indicator bar is white, it means there is no confirmation in the market. To ensure the strength of the confirmation, make sure the dots on the Directional Movement Index Trend indicator are yellow. Example, if the indicator bar is green, it confirms an uptrend. To ensure the strength of the confirmation, make sure the dots are yellow. If the dots are white, cancel your setup. To increase the accuracy of this trading strategy, add one more indicator that will be used to confirm the market trend. Go to the Search Indicator tab and type Moving Average Colored EMA. Then, select the Moving Average Colored EMA indicator by Repo 32. Next, adjust the settings for the Moving Average Colored EMA indicator. Go to the Input tab and change the EMA length to 200. Once done, Simply click OK to confirm the changes. We will use the 200 EMA indicator to confirm the trend in the market. If the 200 EMA line is green, it signals a bullish trend confirmation. Meanwhile, if the 200 EMA line is red, it signals a bearish trend confirmation. Now, let's discuss how to trade using this breakout trading strategy. How to place a sell order. If a breakout signal appears at the support area, confirm whether it is a valid sell signal before placing a sell order. Ensure that the trend is bearish. Then, make sure the bars on the DMI trend indicator show a downtrend confirmation. To confirm the strength, ensure the dots on the DMI trend indicator are yellow. As the final confirmation, ensure the candlestick formed is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the previous high. Use a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1:2. How to place a buy order. If a breakout signal appears at the resistance area, confirm whether it is a valid buy signal before placing a buy order. Ensure that the trend is bullish. Then, make sure the bars on the DMI trend indicator show an uptrend confirmation. To confirm the strength, ensure the dots on the DMI trend indicator are yellow. As the final confirmation, ensure the candlestick formed is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the previous low. Use a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1:2. Always maintain proper money management and your own trading psychology. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's all, and see you in the next video.